Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add clothes on your dummy in Roblox Studio. So first of all, you just need to be open your Roblox Studio, and here you just need to be select your avatar, and then you just need to be upload it in here. Then you just need to be open your Explorer 1, and then here you just need to be start your work. So first of all, you just need to be install a plugin to or any accessories or dresses. So here, but before that, let's talk about this one. Like here into the rig, you can see we have a couple of things, like we can change the body colors, we can make it as it we want, we can change the head color like this way, and if I click OK, you can see the color already been changes. So if you want to do avatar setup, you just need to go over here, or you can go to the plugin and then click on to this manage plugin, and from that one you just need to be add plugin and search, select for the plugin and then search accessories, and here this is the plugin accessory, and from that one you will find out that accessory 1 in here. Full plugin name was this accessory header, and then hit enter, and here you can see this one the plugin. So we just need to click for buy for free. It's already done and it will take a couple of minutes. Okay, that's great. So it already been done and it already been installed. So now I will crop this one, and from that one I will crop this one too. So now I just want to wear an dress in here. So how I can do it, I just need to be go over here, I just need to select this one, and then I just need to be click here. Now here actually you can see this is the insert accessory. So you just need an accessory ID. Let's say I will visit to the Roblox, and from that place I will click on avatar, and I just need to get an access ID to start this. So I will go over here and let's find it out. I think this one is quite good. I will click on Bloxer and it will open here, or you can find out more dresses in that place. Like I will click on t-shirt. Once I click over it at available, then I will able to see it here. Let's say I'm going to click this one, and from that one I will copy this access ID, and then I will come back to that place and I'll place it in here and just click apply. Once you click over here, now you can see the accessories has been applied here. So our main goal was to change the dress of our dummy. So as you can see, we already did. Similarly, you just want to use this one, you just need to copy the access ID again, like from that place, this is the access ID, and come back to this one and again provide your access ID and click to the apply, and it will be changed it here. So here you can see how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.